Hey, it's Paul Farmer, paulgfarmer.com. That's my blog where I share more about myself and what I do. So you're here because you're looking for an easy and fast way to earn money online. And I'm going to be showing you a simple way to make money online, but I do want to address the easy and fast way. Okay, so the easy and fast way is really the way that it's the hard way, to be honest. So I've been online, just a little about me. I've been online for 6+ years, and I chased the easy and fast way for quite a while. And all that led to was losing quite a bit of money, having online programs that would just disappear and not pay out commissions. And it just led me to nowhere. Okay. So literally it led me to nowhere. I just never could get anywhere with it. It was just a constant one program to the next program. And it wasn't until I decided that I was no longer going to look for what was easy and fast, but I was going to decide that I was going to learn and stick with one thing. I was going to learn what I needed to do to have success, which one of the things I needed to do was stick with one thing, stay focused on one thing until successful. And the other thing was I needed something that was going to be stable, so I didn't have to worry about it just going away overnight. So I didn't have to worry about not getting paid commissions. And so I made a decision, and this was after everyone told me that you need to find something that everybody's looking for now. It has to be a brand new program, all this stuff, right? And yes, there is some merit to that. Like, people do like new programs, but does that mean it's the best decision? In my opinion, no. A lot of times these programs are not set up for the long term. They're set up to get you in quick, make a quick buck, and then disappear. That is how it is. But the program I chose to finally, I was like, enough is enough. I'm tired of building up teams. I'm tired of having all this stuff come crashing down because the program isn't sound, because people came in just because of the hype. So I chose a program that had been around since 2013, and that was there wasn't a whole lot of buzz about it. There wasn't a whole lot of buzz about it when I decided to get serious about this program. And the reason I did that is because I knew it was stable, I knew it offered a quality product, and I knew that they paid on time every time for as long as they've been in business. That's huge. That's a big deal, especially when you've been online for a little while and you realize a lot of these companies, they don't even pay you the commissions they owe you. So that's a big deal, is you want to make sure that you get paid. So I eliminated the whole easy. I eliminate the whole, oh, it has to be new. It has to be ground floor. Like, I just took that all away because that wasn't getting me anywhere. And that seems to be like the buzzword. That seems to be what people like to go for. Oh, it's ground floor. It's groundbreaking. It's brand new. Money's just going to fall from the sky. All I got to do is push a little button and things are just going to flow. They're going to do everything for me. All these buzzwords, right? All these things that people like flock to. I used to do that, but then I finally decided enough is enough, and I'm going to do this the right way. And I focused on one system, one program that provides marketing tools and training, something that everybody needs. Every marketer online needs. They need marketing tools and they need training on how to generate leads and how to make sales. So I went with a program. So instead of going out and trying to dig up gold like everybody else is, they're in their little programs. They want to push another program on you. But if you're already in a program, why do you want to go join another program? You need something that is kind of evergreen, something that everybody can use. So you want the tools, right? You want to provide tools. You want to provide training. That's something everybody can use. So that is what I decided to go into. And so the program I'm with provides quality training, provides tools that you can use to create more leads and more sales if you're in another business, a service, a product. And that makes it a whole lot more, I hate to use the word easy, but it is easier than trying to go, oh, I have a health product and this person has a health product and trying to convince this person to join your health product. That's way more difficult, and it's probably not going to happen because people don't want to join another business. They want their business to work. So if you can help them get their business to work, then you're in business, then you can do business with them. So anyway, I decided that I wasn't going to do this fast and easy nonsense anymore, and I was going to focus on what I knew was proven to work, and that is stay focused on one thing until successful and use proven methods that I knew worked. So that is what I did. Even though people told me, that thing doesn't convert, and, I heard all this stuff about it. But you know what? I've been able to create a full-time income, and I was able to create a full-time income within a few months using this simple system. So the biggest shift for me was I eliminated the easy and fast, and I decided I was going to make it work no matter what, because I was going to raise my skill set. I was going to raise my mindset, right? Like I was going to increase my mindset to, instead of lack, instead of looking for fast and easy, I was going to go, look, this thing's proven. I know it works. I'm just going to make it work. And that was it, okay? So if you want more information about the system I have been using, just go ahead and click the link right below this video. We have live daily training that we do to help you, so you know exactly what to do. It's just a matter of plugging into a very simple system and then just following the training we provide, and you can definitely go on to create an income online. Okay, it doesn't even have to take that long, as long as you're teachable and are willing to do what we teach you to do and apply it. You can definitely create a full-time income, because this thing has the capacity of going from $20 all the way up to $1,000 sales. $20 sales all the way up to $1,000 sales. So is a full-time income possible within a few months? Yes, it absolutely is. And again, as long as you are teachable, right? So anyway, click the link right below. If you got value from this video, please leave a comment. Let me know what you learned, if it makes sense to you. If you've been chasing the fast and easy, how's that going for you? Is that working for you? I'd love to know, okay? Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I do videos all the time, and I'll see you in the next one.